JagrantJosh.com brings for the readers and aspirants current affairs video for the period 26 March to 29 March 2016, which will be of immense help in their preparation. Current affairs headlines: Pattisima Lift Irrigation Project dedicated to people of Andhra Pradesh. Telecom Commission approved 112 as single emergency number for India. Sergey Karjakin won 2016 World Chess Candidates Tournament. UNEP released Global Trends in Renewable Energy Investment 2016. 63rd National Film Awards announced. Biography Anything But Khamosh, the Shatrughan Sinha released. Rotavirus vaccine as part of Universal Immunization Program launched. Pakistan, Iran signed 6 MOUs to strengthen bilateral relations. Current affairs in detail. Pattisima Lift Irrigation Project dedicated to people of Andhra Pradesh. It was dedicated by Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu. It started functioning on 24th March 2016 after installation of 24 pumps. It seeks to link the two major rivers of the state, Godavari and Krishna. It intends to benefit farmers of Krishna and Guntur districts. Telecom Commission approved 112 as single emergency number for India. This is similar to 911 of United States and 999 of United Kingdom. It will direct the call to concerned departments immediately for help. A user will be able to make communication even through SMS. TRAI had recommended it a discussion paper in April 2015. Sergey Karjakin won 2016 World Chess Candidates Tournament. He is Ukrainian-born Russian Grandmaster. In final round, he defeated Fabiano Caruana of US. He holds the record for the world's youngest Grandmaster ever. He won the 2012 World Rapid Chess Championship. He also won the Chess World Cup 2015. UNEP released Global Trends in Renewable Energy Investment 2016. All investments in renewables total $286 billion in 2015. It was some 3% higher than the previous record in 2011. China, India and Brazil saw investment rise 16% to $120.2 billion in 2015. China with $102.9 billion invested the maximum, followed by the US. India saw its commitments rise 22% to $10.2 billion in 2015. 63rd National Film Awards announced. Best Feature Film, Bahubali: The Beginning. Indira Gandhi Award for Best Debut Film of a Director, Neeraj Ghewan for Masaan. Best Popular Film providing wholesome entertainment, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Best Actor, Amitabh Bachchan for Piku. Best Actress, Kangana Ranaut for Tanu Weds Manu Returns. Biography Anything But Khamosh, the Shatrughan Sinha released. The biography has been authored by Bharati S. Pradhan. The book depicts Shatrughan Sinha's celluloid journey. This is Pradhan's work also traces Sinha's political journey. In 2003, Sinha became first film star to be sworn in as Union Cabinet Minister. Rotavirus vaccine as a part of Universal Immunization Program launched. It was launched by Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda. The vaccine is being introduced initially in 4 states. These are Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Odisha. The rotavirus vaccine has been developed indigenously. Pakistan and Iran signed 6 MOUs to strengthen bilateral relations. MOUs signed during Iranian President Dr. Hassan Rouhani's visit to Pakistan. This was the first visit by an Iranian head of state in 14 years to Pakistan. MOU on 5-year Strategic Trade Cooperation Plan. As per it, increase bilateral trade to $5 billion per year in 5 years. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.